Welcome to the Payy Rollup contract audit conducted by AuditOne. Payy is a platform designed to facilitate self-sovereign banking through cryptocurrency, offering a simplified and secure approach to the financial services traditionally managed by banks. The platform integrates a zk-rollup tailored for applications requiring privacy and scalability in payments and decentralized finance. Payy smart contracts were audited between November 4th and November 28th, 2024 by AuditOne, Ubermensch 3.0, and Eugenio Clarci. The audit finished with the following scores. Security score, 99.8%, documentation quality, 98%, code quality, 98%. Let's review the issues identified in Payy smart contracts. USDC blacklisted user can revert block verification process. Before storing a new burns to router entry, the return address should be checked with the require not USDC blacklisted function. Funds get stuck in case of router revert. Implement logic to transfer the remaining tokens back to the sender or another designated address if the router call fails. This ensures that no tokens are left locked in the contract. Attacker can grief another user's router burn. Set a default gas value. Replace the user-specified gas per burn call parameter with a predefined default value. For example, 500,000 gas as used in verify block. Remove gas per burn call input from substitute burn. Hard code the default gas per burn call value into the execute burn to router call, ensuring consistent and predictable behavior. Router reentrancy allows bypassing single-time substitutions. Add a reentrancy guard. Use a reentrancy guard to ensure that the substitute burn function cannot be re-entered during execution. For example, integrate OpenZeppelin's reentrancy guard. Follow checks effects interactions pattern. Update the substituted burns mapping before executing the external call to the router. This prevents reentrancy by ensuring the one-time substitution restriction is applied early in the process. Attacker can grief substitute burn caller, leading to locking funds. Modify the contract logic to mark burns as finalized or executed once they are included in a block via verify block. This would prevent a finalized burn from being used in a substitute burn operation. Remaining unused approval could lead to stolen tokens. After a successful call to the router, reset the token approval back to 0 to prevent any residual approvals from being exploited. Also, another approach could be to transfer the remaining tokens to return address. Missing burn added event in burn function. Add the burn added event emission at the end of the burn function. We're pleased to reveal that Payy's smart contracts have been fortified following our thorough security review. The Payy team has expertly resolved all critical issues and minimized risks. For a closer look at the findings, read our comprehensive report. AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.